Hey network marketers, Ben Sturdivant here with a quick tutorial on how to navigate your members area in your ClickFunnels account. Once you log in, you'll have your dashboard here, and if you don't have any stats or any numbers here, don't worry. It's because you don't have any funnels that are being built out yet, and that's okay. If you ever want to access the stats on those, you can go up to your funnels and go to the individual funnel, or you can just click on this little search thing here, click on the little graph icon, and that'll bring them up. Typically, what you're going to start with when you're first getting started building funnels is the build new funnel. You'll go here, and don't worry, you don't have to select an industry. Just because you're in network marketing doesn't mean you have to use one of these ones. These are just ones that they've found have worked well for network marketing. I use the lead magnet funnel a lot. Those are some of the free funnels I'm giving away inside of our members area for the networker funnels. There's, if you want to do a live demo or a squeeze page, or you want to take, a survey or something, or do a quiz or something, there's some neat ones in here. I'd recommend just kind of playing around with them. If you want to see like what's the hero funnel. This is maybe if you really want to sell you. It's a simple 2-step funnel. If you want to see what one of theirs looks like, you could open up. This is a complete funnel, meaning if you really wanted to make it easy, you'd replace their image with yours, their logo with yours, and then put your text in there and just change the links. You could leave all the colors, everything the exact same if that's what you want to do. It's really kind of a fill in the blank kind of a funnel if that's what you want to do. You don't have to, you can go back and you can select. Usually what I'll do is I'll kind of work with, if I want to just generate a lead, for example, and I want their contact information, and I narrow it down. If you don't have to narrow it down, but if you want to scroll through all those other ones, you can. But if I want to just do let's say a lead magnet, what I'll do is I'll start with a blank lead magnet funnel, and I went through this orientation in the video a little bit. And basically all this does is it brings you into your funnel builder area where you can start adding pages to your funnel. I'm not going to go through a tutorial on how to do all that, but that's basically what it would do. This is your main, if you go up to funnel, browse funnels, this is a summary of all of your funnels. And what you can do is you can get in here and you can edit them. So I'll go into the one, the shocking free video funnel. It's a simple 2-step funnel that I built. And it's pretty self-explanatory. The first page, it's a lead magnet. So I'm offering them training, right? A training video for their information. Some of you probably have even opted into this very funnel. And then on the next step of the funnel, I'm giving the free training and then offering the ClickFunnels and Networker Funnels membership, right? Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. If I wanted to add another step to this, I could. I put a little add-on here that I could totally run with. And from here, I haven't selected a template or anything yet, but something that would be smart, right, would probably be to do like a webinar. And they've got webinar different options, right? These are all the templates. So if you haven't selected something, you'll see this little icon down here. I'm not going to get into how to build these out. There's another tutorial that has, that goes through all that. Just wanted to give you a little orientation of where you can find stuff. Here's your launch checklist that will kind of take you through, once something's done, give a little check box. If you want to associate a custom web address, these will be gray until you complete the step, and then they'll turn green. Okay, so pretty easy. If you follow the checklist, it kind of takes you through the process. You can see stats. I haven't launched this yet. This is before I do anything. So you'd see all the unique visitors and all the different opt-ins and the rates of opt-in, the contacts. You can change the settings for your page here. If you want to change the name of it or the tag, or you want to associate a different domain with it, you can give a little favicon image, right? You can put custom tracking. That will come into play when you start doing some Facebook advertising or marketing. Don't need to worry about all this stuff unless you're going to associate like a product, a third party like Stripe or PayPal. If you're going to be charging people for something, that's where you would do that in the settings function. Your account has all your account details, integrations. That's where you would, if you're going to integrate, like I have my Aweber account integrated in here. If you want to do any kind of email system or a webinar system or texting, I personally haven't done all that. I haven't needed to do all of that yet. You can get in and access your payment gateways if that's what you want to do. I have a Stripe account, then you can set it up directly through this or through ClickFunnels. You don't have to go out and they'll walk you through it if you want to bill people for things yourself. Digital assets, if you want to upload like PDFs or things, you can do that here. Just click on add a new asset. There's a certain size. I think it's only 3 megabytes that it can be. So it can't be huge, gigantic files for sharing. And that makes sense. But that's where you would do that. So the only other thing that I would point out is your funnel marketplace. There are people that actually go and sell funnels. Some of these can be free, but you can shop the templates if you want by all these different categories and tags, and you can see that there's a lot of options here, and people actually sell these and make money offering these to people, and they're complete funnels. If you're here's a diet and weight loss one. If you really wanted to speed up your process, you might do something like this. You don't have to. I personally have not bought any of these yet. I haven't needed to. I've just gone out and built my own. There's a lot of ones in here that are free, and they may not be as fancy, but they definitely work. So that was just a quick little tutorial of some of the ClickFunnels back office area, and I look forward to seeing you on another training. Thanks, guys.